Okay, so we're still on the camera propped up on the printer behind me. So Harrier CBX from one of our regular customers. So it's one of the replacement fronts that Andy does from Lake Vintage Electronics, which is very good facsimile, and he's bought that set like that. It comes with the Harrier original mic and is the real thing, it's not just a made up fake one. We're going to be running with the standard replacement mic as we usually do. Then I'll demonstrate this one at the end to our base station. So if you're not familiar, these are Cybernet 134 and it's the upper tier chassis with the extra receive stage and the better filter. It's basically the same chassis as what's in our base station. So we'll see whether Mr Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test. Got no TX light.
Yeah, no one there.
Roger. So I've got that to do. I'll get those out. We imported those from Germany. To be the correct current consumption. On the note, no TX light, but you know, went through one eye and out through the other.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, ready when you are.
Yep, Roger, I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Okay, ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger, on this radio we've got to turn control.
Roger, so heading up the lane
High,
towards the end of it.
low, medium.
Place, doggy daycare, and all the plants that they've planted, which I assume is going to be hedgerow.
Roger on that, that's fine.
Right, we're now coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station 135.9 and 145.9.
Roger on that. That's a big 10-4 on that. I think something good underneath. Let me know if it gets annoying.
No, I had a bit of breakthrough coming down the lane, but not heard anything since.
Roger.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Oh, and a half.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Harrier CBX, station 44 outwards. I'm on a standard replacement mic, over.
Yep, roger that. I'll receive, no problems.
Roger, Dodger. Going over Wilson level crossing.
Telltale at Rauceby's quite full.
Oh, good. Can we see it on the video, do you think?
I'm not sure. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Harrier CBX using the Cybernet 134 chassis from 1981 on a standard replacement mic, and with the 4 watts is drawing 1.19 amps, going to go to low power. Been set for 400 milliwatts. I've done it without a countdown where we are on low power. Now 535 milliamps, 400 milliwatts output. Now we'll go back to full power. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yep, no problems on full power, and you're pretty readable on low power, even though there's some interference there.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Doctor.
Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rauceby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rauceby level crossing.
Yep, 135. Oh, I don't know. I wasn't paying attention, if I'm honest.
Never mind, at least it proves we can communicate with this thing. That's what it's all about. This was the last on the air test for 2025, so 10-10.
Roger, 10-10. See you in the new year.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rauceby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rauceby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 135. Oh, I don't know. I wasn't paying attention, if I'm honest.
Never mind, at least it proves we can communicate at this distance. That's what it's all about. This will be the last on the air test for 2025, so 10-10.
Good, 10-10. See you in the new year.
Roger Dodger, thank you. Right, we'll go over to the base station and the one with the identical chassis, and we'll see what it sounds like on that microphone and then also with the factory original.
Tango 21 testing the Harrier CBX CB27 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We do the usual low power for a hum test. Going to low power now. There we are on low power. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to full power. There we are back on full power. So we're just now going to run with the factory original mic. Right, there we are with the factory original mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it into low power. There we are on low power. And there we are back to full power. So this will be the last set for this year.